Hello friends, in this video we intend to go through the steps of identity verification and document upload in the GlobalPrime broker step by step. We enter the trading cabin in the GlobalPrime broker and click on Verify Now. In this section, entering the page related to verification and completing my personal information. After entering the personal information, you click on the next option. In the second step, you select the items related to your desired account type and click on this option indicating that you accept all the terms and conditions related to the broker, then select Next. Step 3 is related to uploading documents, where you need to upload documents such as your driver's license, ID card, or passport. In this section, you select the Upload File option. Please note that you must upload a copy of both the front and back of your identification document. After you upload the front image of your ID card, you will see a page indicating that you must also upload the back image of your ID card. Click on the Upload Rear site, and after uploading both images, click on the next option. Your documents have been successfully uploaded. Please note that the documents you intend to submit and upload must have all four corners of the document clearly visible, and you should upload a clear and high-quality image within the broker. In the final step, you must upload a second identification document that belongs to you. Upload documents that include your ID card, passport, utility bill, bank statement, or birth certificate. In this section, click on the Upload file. After you select and upload the front and back images of the second identification document and click on the Verify My Account option, your documents have been successfully uploaded to the GlobalPrime broker and are under review by the broker. Please note that an email will be sent to your registered email address to inform you about the verification of your account. After one business day, when you enter the trading cabin in the GlobalPrime broker, click on the Profile section, and you will see that your account has been successfully verified, and your documents have been accepted by the broker. In future videos, we will go through the process of depositing and withdrawing in the GlobalPrime broker together, wishing you success and profitability.